I didn't know that she was an acrobat. She is flipping around, going upside down, climbing the cage, all around. She's very hyper today. Furby's still out here with her. Careful. You are crazy. I just gotta take a bath because she got all that work done. Did you get messy? Did you get a little bit sweaty? You gotta fix a feather or two after all that. You was like pole dancing, cage swinging, swing hopping. I don't know. You was doing the thing. You're so excited. Furby's been out here all day. I gotta get her back to the room somehow so she can eat and drink some water. I mean, she has her snacks and water out here, but Lemon Drop misses her. I'm bored. I got dressed up. I don't know why. I wanted to wear these stockings, so I put a dress on. I feel weird. I never wear dresses. I feel like I'm dressed up to go somewhere. I have nowhere to go. I want to go get a coffee though. Maybe play the lottery. Sounds fun. The headless chicken. Shake, shake, shake. Salt shaker. You use a salt shaker too? Beaver was salt shaking earlier. Princess is famous for salt shaking. Well, she's calmed down, so I guess I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, another salt shake. Salt shaker.